Welcome to our channel. Reddit app keeps crashing? Follow these proven solutions to fix loading errors and enjoy stable browsing of your favorite communities. Step 1. Force stop the Reddit app immediately. Go to Settings, Apps, Reddit, and tap Force Stop to completely close the app. Step 2. Clear Reddit app cache and data. In the same Settings menu, tap Storage, then Clear Cache to remove corrupted files. Step 3. Check for Reddit app updates. Open your app store and update Reddit to the latest version for bug fixes. Step 4. Restart your device completely. Power off your phone, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh system. Step 5. Check Reddit server status online. Visit redditstatus.com to see if there are known issues affecting the service. Step 6. Disable battery optimization for Reddit. Go to battery settings and exclude Reddit from power saving restrictions. Step 7. Try using Reddit in browser temporarily. If app continues crashing, access Reddit through mobile browser as workaround. Step 8. Uninstall and reinstall Reddit completely. Delete the app, restart device, then install fresh copy from App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.